The clock that sneezed time. Achoo! And just like that, it was lunchtime. Timmy found an old clock in Grandma's attic. It ticked, then it sneezed. Achoo! An hour flew by. Then 2. Then 5. By bedtime, it was Saturday, and he hadn't even done homework. "Bless you," he said. But the clock sneezed again. Now it was breakfast, 3 days ahead. Time flies when your clock has allergies. Subscribe to Starlit Stories for more wild tales.